Breaking news. Welcome to OI Charts Market Brief, 22 November 2025. First news. Gautam Adani's net worth increased by $2.15 billion after positive Bihar exit polls. This pushed Adani Enterprises shares up 4.98% to rupees 2,488. Second news, Adani Ports shares rose 2.73% as positive Bihar exit poll results boosted investor confidence. Third news, Zydus Life Sciences is planning a rupees 5,000 crore qualified institutional placement to reduce debt. Fourth news, Sequent Scientific reported revenue of rupees 4,240 million, a 15% year-on-year jump. Fifth news, Infosys has launched its biggest ever share buyback worth rupees 18,000 crore. Sixth news, Indigo posted a net loss of rupees 2,582 crore for the second quarter. Seventh news, oil marketing companies are expected to see operating profits rise by 50%. Eighth news, Adani Enterprises completed its exit from a 10.42% stake in AWL Agribusiness for rupees 3,732 crore. Ninth news, HG Infra and Kalpataru's joint venture won a rupees 1,415 crore contract for the Thane Metro project. 10th news, Kotak Mahindra Bank is the leading bidder to acquire a 45.48% stake in IDBI Bank. 11th news, TPG has invested rupees 8,820 crore in a joint venture with TCS to build an AI data center. 12th news, the Indian rupee saw its steepest fall in over 3 months, closing 78 paise lower at rupees 89.46 per US dollar. 13th news, Nifty fell 124 points to 26,068, and Sensex dropped 401 points to 85,232. 14th news, Reliance Industries stopped importing Russian oil for its Jamnagar refinery to comply with US and EU sanctions. 15th news, RBI and NPCI International have linked UPI with the European Central Bank's TIPS system. 16th news, IndusInd Bank shares rose 3% after the bank denied rumors about a $1 billion equity raise. 17th news, CRISIL upgraded Ilgen Electronics rating from A+ to AA- positive. 18th news, Mahindra & Mahindra acquired the remaining 43% stake in Embitixiem for rupees 66.33 crore. 19th news, Tata Chemicals approved a rupees 910 crore investment to expand capacity at its Mithapur and Cuddalore plants. 20th news, Greenply is investing rupees 800 crore to expand plywood production. 21st news, India's infrastructure growth remained flat at 0% in October. 22nd news, crude oil prices dropped by rupees 82 to rupees 5,181 per barrel. 23rd news, JSW Energy received creditor approval to acquire Raigarh-Champa rail infrastructure. 24th news, India's HSBC manufacturing PMI flash fell to 57.4, indicating a slight slowdown in manufacturing activity. 25th news, India raised over rupees 90,000 crore through 61 IPOs in 90 days. 26th news, India is shifting back to Middle Eastern crude oil as U.S. sanctions disrupted 48 million barrels of Russian supply. 27th news, Axis Bank plans to raise rupees 5,000 crore through non-convertible debentures. 28th news, Hindustan Unilever set 5th December 2025 as the record date for the demerger of its ice cream business into Quality Walls. 29th news, Kotak Mahindra Bank approved a 1:5 stock split to increase share liquidity. That's a wrap for today's pre-market brief. Stay tuned for more updates with OI Charts.